So first question is find the value of other 5 trigonometric functions. Question number 1 to 5. So first question I have taken cos x negative half and x lies in third quadrant. So third quadrant में आपका angle, the angle of this trigonometric ratio x lies in third quadrant. This is the first, second and third. Third quadrant, tan is positive and cot is positive. Learn all. In first quadrant, all positive. Second, sine, cosec. Third tan cot, then fourth sec and cos. So we have learned the identity in 10th class. Sine square x plus cos square x is equals to 1, and the cos, value of cos is negative half. So negative half का square, sine square x is 1 minus 1 upon 4. Negative का even power is there. So it will be positive 1 upon 4. 1 minus 1 upon 4 is 3 upon 4, and the square root of 3 upon 4 is plus minus root 3 upon 2. Now which value you will take? Sin x की positive root 3 value you will take or negative, depending on the x. So we know that the third quadrant जो आपका angle है, that is in the third quadrant. So third quadrant में only tan and cot will be positive. So sin x we will take in this as negative. This is the answer. Now sin x is this, cos x is this one. So tan x क्या होता है? Tan x is sin x upon cos x. So tan x is divided, sin x is negative root 3 by 2 and cos x is negative half. So negative negative cancel out. So tan x is root 3. This is the answer of tan x. So now cot x. Cot x is the reciprocal. That reciprocal of this is 1 upon root 3. Sin का reciprocal is, reciprocal of sin is cosec. So cosec x is negative 2 upon root 3. Negative you can write in numerator or denominator, both are same, but you will not write like this. ऐसे नहीं करना. So negative negative will become positive. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sec is left. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. So these are the final answer. Is equal to minus 5 upon 12. Now x lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant, here x lies. In this quadrant, sine and cosec is positive. So we have to take care of this. Remaining all will be negative. So cot x, reciprocal of this. This is the first answer. एक आंसर तो ये हो गया. How many 5 trigonometric ratios you have to find out? This is the cot, and identities must be done in this. Second identity is 1 plus tan square x is equals to sec square x. So 1 plus minus 5 upon 12 is equals to sec square x. This is 1 plus 25 upon 144. Okay. There maybe two values can come, but we have to choose the value according to the quadrant. Quadrant के हिसाब से आपको आंसर देने हैं. Okay. ऐसे बिना सोचे समझे नहीं. Sin और cosec का आंसर नेगेटिव नहीं आना चाहिए. It will be positive. So this will be 144 plus 25 after taking LCM. 169 का square root is 13 upon 12, and there will be two values because here is square. Square on square on giving the square root. On transferring this square, it will go in square root. Square root के दो values आएंगी, plus minus 13 upon 12. Out of this we will select negative because only sin and cosec is positive. Sec we had find, cot we had find. Reciprocal of this sec is cos. So cos x is negative 12 upon 30. Now what is left? Sin and cosec. So we know the identity first. Sin square plus cos square is 1. So sin square x plus 144 upon 169. Sin square x is 1 minus 144 upon 169. Sin square x is 25 upon this is 5 upon 13, and that is plus minus. So what value we will choose now, because sin x is positive in second quadrant. So we will take 5. So these are our answers. Now we have to find the value of sine 765 degree. As I had told you that if we start from this is the initial line, this is one complete evolution and the angle is 360 degree. After completing this 360 degree, you will come in again first quadrant. So how many 360 degree can we cover? So in this basically we have to check the multiples of 360 degree. Multiple of 360 degree we can write this as 2 multiplied by 360 degree. Means 360 का one rotation, then you will get first quadrant. 360 का 2 rotation means पहला rotation कर दिया and second rotation cover, so it means 720 degree angle it has covered. So what is left? 45 degrees left. Basically इतने बड़े एंगल को हम किसमें कन्वर्ट करते हैं? 360 डिग्री तक, because we have find the values of all trigonometric ratios up to 360 degree. So इसकी वैल्यू, so this is we have to basically the angles which are greater than 360 degree, these all are greater than 360 degree. In that case we have to check the multiples of 360 degree. उसके multiples भी check करना होता है और उसके according here we can adjust plus minus. Suppose 360 into 10 is 720 degree. So 765 minus 720 means 45 degrees still left. So we can write 765 as this. और 360 के 2 rotations cover करने पर again we reach to this. We can write this as sin 45 degree. इतने बड़े एंगल की वैल्यू we have written sin 45. How? Because we have to check the multiples of 360 degree. 765 is 2 multiplied 360 plus 45. So it again this is periodic function. Sine, these trigonometric functions are periodic function. We will study in graph next exercise introduction that what are the periodic functions. So इसकी वैल्यू हमने sin 765 वैल्यू is same as sin 45 and that is 1/√2. Now seventh question. First of all, cosec minus theta is minus cosec theta. This we had studied in the formula. So this is minus cosec 1410. Same. Now we have to check the multiple of 360 degree in this. So 360 multiplied by 4, if I am doing 0, 6 4 24, 4 12, 1440. We can take 1440. So it is 4 multiplied by 360. So it will be greater than this. So 440 minus 1400, 1440 minus 1410 is 30. It means we have to subtract 30 degree. So this is basically this is of the form cosec 360 minus theta. And what is cosec 360 minus theta? This is in the fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant only second cos is positive. So this is negative and outside is also negative. The negative becomes positive, and this is cosec 30 degree. And the value of cosec 30 degree you are studying in class 10. That is the reciprocal of sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree half होता है, so this is 2. Same as this. This is of the form sin 360 plus theta. Sin 360 plus theta is sin theta. It again come in the first quadrant because these are periodic functions. Now my 8th number question. Now this is given the radian. Radian form में देगा तो convert this into pi plus this is 19 pi. 6 pi plus pi by 3. 6 3 are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So we can write this as 6 pi plus pi by 3. On taking LCM, this is same as 19 pi by 3. So this is the multiple of 360 degree, means 2 pi. 2 pi का multiple है, here is also multiple of, and here is also multiple. So we have to convert this into multiples of 2 pi. So this is tan 360 plus theta, and that is again tan theta. So this is tan pi by 3, and tan pi by 3 means tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is √3. Sin negative. first of all sine negative theta is negative sine theta, so this is minus sine 11 pi by 3 sine 11 pi by 3. So this 11 pi by 3 is pi plus pi minus pi by फिर ये 9 11 pi by 3 we have to break 11 pi by 3 pi plus 2 pi by 3. We can write this as 3 pi plus 3 is 9 plus 2 11. So sine 3 pi plus 2 pi by 3. This is the multiple of 2 pi. Wait, 2 pi के मल्टीपल में आपको लेना है इसको, तो you can take this 4 here 12 minus 1 is 11. 4 pi minus pi by 3. Check this. 4 3 is 12. 12 minus 1 is 11. Okay, and here is minus. So this is 4 pi is the multiple of 2 pi. 4 pi is 180 into 4 720 360 के मल्टीपल में आता है 360 डिग्री के. So this is basically form 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta means fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant में sign is negative. Cos and sec is positive. So negative becomes positive. So this is sin pi upon 3, because we can write this as minus sin 360 minus theta is minus sin 360 minus theta is minus sin theta. Here is minus, so minus becomes plus. Okay, so this is sin pi by 3, and sin pi by 3 is 180 upon 360. Sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. This is the answer. So last is cot of negative 15 pi by 4. Cot minus theta is minus cot theta. So this is minus cot 15 pi by 4. Now we have to check the multiple of 2 pi. So 2 pi. So 4 pi minus pi upon 4 is 15 pi by 4. 4 the 16. 16 minus 1 is 15. So we can write 4 pi minus pi by 4. And cot 360 minus theta. 360 means 2 pi. 360 minus theta is minus cot theta, and outside is minus plus. So cot pi by 4, and cot pi by 4 is 1. So this is our answer.